Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony Xperia 10V and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you should do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this phone keeps freezing or crashing, or you're having any kind of issues where it's not working, not connecting, we can do this. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because it's going to wipe everything off of this phone. And that's the second reason you would want to do this, is if you're selling this phone or if you bought a used one from somebody or any kind of issue like that where you just want to get it totally set up like it was a brand new phone, we can do that. Keeping in mind, this is going to wipe everything off of it. It will be a brand new phone. So two things. First of all, back up any data that you don't want to lose before you do this. And second of all, do not interrupt it once it starts, because as it's wiping everything, if you interrupt it, it can damage the phone. But from there, it's really simple to do. We're just going to go to the settings menu, and from settings, we're going to select system, and from system, we will select reset options. From reset options, we will select factory reset. From factory reset, we will select erase all data. At that point, it will ask us for our PIN or our swipe pattern. We'll input that, and then we'll have to select erase all data again to confirm, at which point you'll have to allow it to complete its cycle. It will take several minutes, and it will turn back on as a brand new wiped phone.